Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Voice Memos app and tapping on this red button to start recording. Now, when recording is on, just hold this line at the top and drag it. Then, to pause it or unpause it, use this button at the bottom. After you pause it, you can also use those two options. By clicking on the right one, you can edit your recording right away. And then save it by hitting save at the top right corner, or discard those changes by clicking on cancel at the top left one. If you wish to select those three sliders on the left, just click on them, and thanks to them, adjust playback speed, manage skip silence, and decide if you wish to enhance your recording. To discard changes in those options, click on the top left corner, and to save them on the top right one. You can also listen to your recording right away by tapping on play button and skipping 15 seconds each way. If you wish to end it and save it, just click on Done at the bottom right corner when your recording is paused. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to change title of it, click on the current one and name your recording however you wish to. In order to play it, click on play button, and to manage all available options of it, click on those three dots, in the circle on the right. Then click on wherever you wish to, like duplicate. To get rid of your recording, you can tap on this pin or select Edit at the top right corner. Click on one of your recordings that you wish to delete and tap on bin icon at the bottom right corner. In order to recover one of your recordings, click on the top left corner, choose Recently Deleted, click on Edit, and then, after tapping on recordings that you wish to restore, or just one of them, click on Recover at the bottom left corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!